Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this demo I will explain if we have a table how we can schedule our store procedure in Snowflake, which can insert our data uh, on a timely fashion, like after every 1 minute or after 1 day or maybe after every 1 hour. So depending on the nature we can add our data. So here is the actually script where I created a table, auto increment table, which has ID, which is auto incremental column, and create date time is a date time variable. So this is a time actually, and this is a auto incremental value. So if we run this, so you can see the output has added one more row. Initially it was 13, but now it's showing 14 row because our task is schedule. So how we can write a schedule? First we need to create our store procedure. Okay, so to write a store procedure, the syntax is very pretty simple. We need to create or replace a procedure and name of the procedure with the parenthesis, and then we need to return our data type, and the language is JavaScript. As per my knowledge that only JavaScript is supported, so maybe in future Python or other language can be supported, but as per my knowledge that JavaScript is currently supported. So dollar sign mean that we are starting our JavaScript code here and it will end here. So between the $2 sign we need to write our JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code is pretty simple, that we have created a variable and use a insert command with current timestamp, and this command is already tested, so I just copy and paste this command with the single quote in SQL command. Then I created a snowflake create statement using SQL text, and where is my here is my command which is included and created in a variable. And after that I have execute the statement. Once execute the statement successfully, so we can create our run our store procedure. So just for testing, so if I run this store procedure, so new record is created. If I go here, so it's a manually run. So I have already with this time period we have 2 minutes left already passed, so it's already executed 2 times. So and finally, how we can create a task? Create a task is a simple way. We need to create, and then task is a syntax, and call is sp is our task name. Then we have to mention that in which warehouse we want to work. We have a compute warehouse, and schedule 1 minute, 60 minute, 1 second, or 10 second. It could be any time period you would like to say. And finally, what we want to call? We want to call a sp auto increment. So we create it, and that's it. If we suspend our store procedure, we have two commands actually, suspend and resume. If we want that our task will not execute it and after a schedule as per schedule time, so we just need to call suspend. So after that, if we refresh it and it's a 9:27, if we see after 1 minute, then this in record will not be incremented automatically because we suspend. But if we alter task and resume it over task, so it will start again scheduling and running behind the scene. So I hope you understand the whole concept, that how we can create our store procedure. As I mentioned you, then we need to create our task, and then we need to show or schedule our task in a scheduler. Basically then we use resume. So that's it for the today, and it is very important topic because mostly people don't know that we can create SPs, how we can create a schedule a task in for automation purpose in Snowflake. So that's a pretty much excited future, so I would like to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, take care.